Okay, these are the two light fixtures that I have. With color bulbs. With color bulbs over there. Switch. I'm gonna turn this switch on. You hear it, you heard it click on. No lights. No lights. Yet I can go on the app and turn it on. Turn on the bulbs within the app. So these are the 4 bulbs that are giving me a problem. So I'm gonna take 2 non-bulbs. These are good for my living room. These 2 are good. So I'm gonna swap them. I'm gonna take this off. I'm gonna take these 2 off. I'm gonna place this one here. So we know these are the 2 good ones. Bad one. I'm gonna take this off. Bad. Good. It's on. On. Okay. So these bulbs are on. This is off. So now I'm going to turn the switch off. Watch. Switch off. Off. Now I'm going to turn the switch back on. On. Right? This one didn't come on. These 2, that one did. Once again. Off. Off. Again, switch on. Let me get them both. Trying to see if I can get it. Right, those 2 turned on. These 2 didn't, but I can go in the app and turn them on. They're available to be turned on. So I'm perplexed as to why this is happening. Those are the 2 bad ones right there. But yet they function via the app. I don't understand.